Hello, good evening, students. Today we are going to understand the Cannizzaro reaction, students. Okay, so this is the important class of Cannizzaro reaction, that is the from the carbonyl compound. It is the reaction of the carbonyl compound. Okay, अब for which carbonyl compound is going to give students, that is the generally they are given by the aldehydes. These reactions are given by aldehydes. Okay, and this is also known as, this is the type of redox reaction. This is type of redox reaction, types of redox reaction. Why I am writing types of redox reaction? Because we are taking two aldehyde molecules. Okay, we are taking two aldehyde molecules. Students, you are going to take the two aldehydes molecule having no alpha hydrogen. What is meaning of that, student? Having no alpha hydrogen. You are taking aldehyde molecule that is having no alpha hydrogen. Okay, now students, what you have to do, if there is no alpha hydrogen, how can you be able to identify that there is alpha hydrogen or not? Okay, so that is what is meaning of alpha hydrogen, that you try to understand. Alpha hydrogen, okay, if you are going to understand, alpha hydrogen means equal to the hydrogen next to hydrogen next to functional group, hydrogen next to functional group. Okay, next to functional group, next to functional group, that is alpha hydrogen. And if there is no there is no hydrogen next to the functional group, that will not comes under the alpha hydrogen. Now students, let us try to understand here this. If you are treating two aldehyde molecule having no alpha hydrogen with the base, okay, strong base you are taking, student, then one will oxidized, oxidized to acid, oxidized to acid, so here is what is that is, one will oxidized to acid, a second one is another will, another will, what, student? Reduced to alcohol, other will reduce to alcohols, right, student? First of all, let us try to have the example so that you can be able to understand that there is alpha hydrogen or not. Suppose I am taking that is HC double bond O, and this is the H. Okay, now this is the functional group. Okay, functional group. Okay, functional group. So there is no alpha hydrogen because there is no alpha carbon. So how can you say that is alpha hydrogen? Suppose here if you are writing CH3 C double bond O and H. So this is what is that is F group. Okay, this is the F group. So here is this is what is, this is the alpha carbon and 3 alpha hydrogen is there. 3 alpha hydrogen is there. Okay, but what with the point is there, student, that is this reaction is given by those compound which is having no alpha hydrogen, that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so let us have a look over the first reaction, students. Okay, let us have a look over the first reaction. I have written that is 2 to 4 6 reaction I have written. I will go one by one. Okay, then I will explain. So first one, you see, first reaction explanation, that is I am having HC double bond O and here is H, and another is there HC double bond O and here is H. You are treating with what, student? NaOH. So one will oxidize to acid, so this one will oxidize to acid, that is CH3 acid. Okay, so here it will come HC double ONA, here it will be sodium will get added, and another will be there, student, CH3OH, CH3OH. So this is the alcohol, this is the alcohol, and this is what is, student? This is the acid. Okay, so this is what is something known as redox reaction. These are the example of redox reaction. Now let us try to understand the mechanism, then you can be able to understand the very easily mechanism. Okay, so mechanism, step number 1 is what there, student? Attack of nucleophile. Step number 1, attack of nucleophile, attack of nucleophile. And step number 2 you are going, that is step number 2, this is the hydride shift. There will be the hydride shift. There is, students, let us try to solve this one. Okay, let us go. So that is, you know, that is NaOH, if you ionize it will give that is strong base Na plus and OH minus. Okay, so in the step number 1 I am writing step number 1, I am having that is HC double bond O and this is H, and you are treating with the OH minus. This OH minus is shifting here, so this will shift like this direction. So you see what will happen intermediate, HC, this is O minus, and here is H is there, and downside that is what is there, student, OH is there, right student. Now step number 2, you write step number 2. What you have to do is, in the step number 2, HCO minus is there, students. Here is what is that is OH, and here is H, and here you can write that is HC double bond O, another molecule you have taken. Okay, so what is there, what will happen, student, this bond is going to, this lone pair electron is going to form the double bond, student. And if it is going to form double bond, so that what will happen here, this negative charge, student, this negative charge is going to completely shift to this one. Okay, so let us see what is happening, what compound is going to be formed. So here you are going to get, student, HC double bond O, and here is OH, and plus what you are going to get is, student, here this, if you are attacking here, this bond will shift like this. So what will come, student, here is the hydrogen is there, see, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, this is O negative, right student, this is forming O negative. Now this O negative from acid will supply this H plus. Okay, so H plus it supplies. So you can see the final product, how can you be able to write. Okay, let us write in the next step, students. Okay, better to understand, we will write that is next step. So next step I am writing on the top. Okay, so step number 3rd. Okay, step number 3rd. Okay, formation of product. How the formation of the product will take place? Formation of product. You see, student, formation of product. So this two I am writing. Okay, so HC double bond O, and here is OH is there, student, and here is another is anion is there. This anion is what, that is O negative. Here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, and see OH is used but Na is still there. Okay, so what will happen, this negative charge will take this hydrogen. Okay, so what it will form, student, that is major product, that is it will be OH, and here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, or you can write this one CH3OH, and another molecule is there, another molecule what is will be left here, student, HC double bond O, here is O, and this Na, ONA. So you can find out that is CH3OH, this is CH3OH, and HC double ONA, HC double ONA. So this is the plus and this is minus. So this is the mechanism of the first reaction. Whatever I wrote here, this is the mechanism of this reaction, students. I hope this will be quite helpful to you to understand, students. You need to practice 2-3 times, then only you will be able to understand this reaction. Now what we are going to do, student, we are going to solve the mechanism of the second reaction. So let us see. Okay, all the reactions having similar mechanism, students, similar. Okay, so first reaction already we explained. Now the second we are going to explain, that is second reaction. Okay, so how can you be able to understand the second reaction, students? Let us see. So here is, benzaldehyde is there, students. Here is benzaldehyde. So you can write here is benzaldehyde like that. Okay, in the extended version, C double bond O, and here is H, and again you can write that is the same benzaldehyde is like that, C double bond O, and here is H. Now student, you are treating with the NaOH, so simply you will get that is, here the one product will be the reduced product will be CH2OH, and another will be what, student, another product will be that is benzoate ion. Okay, so C double ONA, sodium benzoate, this is plus and minus. So this is what is the second reactions, how can you be proved. Okay, now students, what we have to do, we have to try to understand the mechanism of the second reaction. So let us try to understand the mechanism of the second reaction. So step number 1, है ना, attack of nucleophile, है ना, attack of what is there student, nucleophile, attack of nucleophile. Okay, so how we attack of nucleophile, you see student, NaOH is there na, NaOH. So what will give student, this will give Na plus plus OH minus. So you see here is we are having the benzaldehyde, dear student, this is the benzaldehyde, and with this benzaldehyde there is the carbonyl carbon, and here is OH negative. So this negative is shifting here, so this bond will shift. So here is what is the product is going to form this intermediate. Here will be C O negative, here is OH, and here is what is H is there. Okay students, so this is the one. Now step number 2. Step number 2 already I told you, hydride shift will be there, you know. Step number 2 means what student, hydride shift. So let us try to understand how the hydride shift is going to take place. So here is CO negative, here is OH, here is H, and what is there student, what is there, another molecule of benzaldehyde we have taken. So here is what is there, C double bond O, and here is H. So this hydride is going to attack here, so that this bond is going to shift here. So let us see what the product you are going to get here, right students. So if you want to write the product, let us pull this board little backward direction students, so that it can be. So here I am writing the one by one. So here firstly you write down this. Okay, so if you are writing this, so what the product you are going to get the benzoic acid, C double bond O, and here will be OH. Another will be there, what is that, is again anion you will get. Okay, so how the anion, another product is something like that. This is the, here is C, this bond is going to shift here, so that is O negative, this is hydrogen, and here is what is there student, attack is, that is H group. Okay, अब step number 3rd, let us see the step number 3rd. What will be the step number 3rd student? In the step number 3rd, product will form. Step number 3rd, step number 3rd, formation of product, formation of product. How the formation of product is going to take? By, you know, accepting proton from acid, by accepting H plus from where student, from acid, H plus from acid. So from the acid you are going to take the H plus. So here dear students, here C, that is we are having the one molecule acid, C double bond O, and here is OH is there, and second molecule what is that, is benzyl ion is there, CO minus, right, and here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen. So this negative charge will accept, okay, and Na plus is already there. So if it is attacking, this will go there, and this will take, that is sodium ion. So dear students, you see what the product is, final product. How will be the final product? Here we are writing. So this is the case. Here is C double bond O, and here is ONA. Okay, this is forming, and this one compound you see students, how this will, the compound will be, that is benzyl alcohol, that is here is C2 hydrogen, CH2, and here is this O and this H, so OH. So this is the benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. So this is the mechanism of the second reaction students. Okay, so I hope it will be helpful to you to understand here students. Let us try to understand the mechanism of the third reaction student. The same way you can be able to understand any of the reaction students. Okay, nothing is the wrong in this case. Okay, if you see, the one is the phenyl alcohol, benzaldehyde, another is the formaldehyde, right student? So dear students, you see this is the benzaldehyde. Okay, so it is the C double bond O and H, and it is reacting with the what student, HC double bond O and H, plus what is there, we are taking, that is a strong base, 50% sodium hydroxide. So what it is going to form student, this is going to form benzyl alcohol, CH2OH, and plus it will give, that is sodium formate. Okay, this is the sodium formate. Dear students, to understand the mechanism, you see this is the sp2 hybrid. So that is because of electron withdrawing nature, here will be the attack of the nucleophile. So that is, let us try to understand the mechanism. So step number 1, attack of nucleophile. Dear students, here you see that is attack. Which one is getting the attack? Here you are going to attack, because we know NaOH will ionize, so it will give, that is Na plus OH minus. So this OH minus is going to attack here. So this is shifting here. So what the compound is going to be formed here? So here you see O negative, here is hydrogen, here is OH, right? Now the second case you see, student, second step number 2. Step number 2 means what, student? That is hydride shift. Okay, so let us try to write down again. So here is O negative, here is hydrogen, here is OH, and here is what is there, students? Here is what is the case, that is HC. Okay, wait students, maybe we are doing wrongly mechanism or what. Let me check it out. Okay, okay, let us go and see what is happening here. So here, dear students, no, till now it's okay. Here is the double bond O and here is H. So here is hydride shift is taking place, this bond is shifting here. So what the compound you are going to get here is benzoic acid, you are going to get, here is C double bond O and here is OH is there, right? And then another compound you are going to get, what the compound is there, student? Here is hydrogen is there, HC. Here is what is happening, here is hydrogen, and here is what, student? O negative is there, right? So here is, but the mechanism is something different is coming, students. In the mechanism, okay, the mechanism is getting something wrong, students, getting something wrong. Okay, here the attack will, because here you see the product is what, student? Benzyl alcohol. Okay, and here is acidic portion is getting formed. Okay, it means that is whatever the attack we have done, because of here is the larger group is there, student. So attack, easier attack will be there. So we did little mistake, sorry students. Let us change this one. Okay, change. So changing means what? Step number 1, fastly we can do easily. So in the step number 1, HC double bond O, here is H is there, nucleophile is getting attacked. Nucleophile means what, student? OH minus is getting attacked, it is shifting like that. So what is forming, student? HCO minus, here is what is, that is OH, here is H. Step number 2 means what, student? Hydride shift. So here is HC, that is O minus, here is H, here is OH, here is what is, that is, student? PHC double bond O, and here is hydrogen. This hydride is getting shifted here, this bond is shifting here. So what is going to form? So HC double bond O, and here is OH, and another is what is forming, student? This bond is shifting, so it is forming, that is PHCO minus, here is hydrogen, downside is what is there, student? Hydrogen. Okay, step number 3. In the step number 3, what is going to happen here? That is formation of product. Okay, formation of product, right, student? So let us see how the formation of product is taking place. So here is the PHCO minus, here is hydrogen, this is negative, and here is what is there, HC double bond O, here is H. So this is taking this hydrogen. So okay, downside, here is what is there, student? HC double bond O, and here is OH is there, acid. So what is going to be formed, student? Here is forming PHCH2, and this is OH, and here is what is forming HC double O. This is minus, it will take the sodium, so HC double O Na. So this is what is the product, student? PHCH2OH. right? Another case easily you can understand, another example, if you are doing that is 4 nitrobenzaldehyde, so it will give that is no, here is alcohol, this molecule will be converted into alcohol and that is sodium formate. If you are taking 2 benzaldehyde plus 4 nitrobenzaldehyde, this is going to be product. If you are taking methyl 4 methyl benzaldehyde and benzaldehyde, it is going to be product. So you try to practice it out, students. Thank you so much for watching.